Dear friends, we have been dealing with values. And first of all, the definition was given, we defined values. Then we came to know that there are two types of values. One is temporary values, the other is permanent values. Then we had gone into both the values, what is temporary and what is permanent, example for both. And also we have discussed blocks for receiving values and what are the elements which helps us to work with different kinds of pleasure related to senses, related to mind, related to soul. All these things we have discussed. And also we have discussed the process of learning. In the process of learning, there are four levels, four quarters. One first quarter from the guru or master, second quarter the student themselves learn, and third quarter we learn from the surroundings, and the last quarter we learn after through the ages, through time. That's discussed. Then the levels of understanding, that is about first of all learning, then second is understanding, and third is practicing, and finally whatever we have practiced that we are propagating. All these things we have discussed. Now we are going into the permanent values. What are the permanent values? And levels of development. What are the levels of development in permanent values? We are dealing with three C's here. The first C is, we can call it character level. Second C is creative level. And third C is consciousness level. So we are focusing on character, creativity, and consciousness. So first of all, character. When we go into character, we find that there are two aspects mainly in character. One is a negative nature of character, and there is a positive nature of character. For that, we are working with certain passions. So the passions stands for three types of passions. One passion we can say animal passion, another is we can say devilish passion, and finally we can say divine passion. So devilish passion is giving focus to self-centered nature, and animal passion is also a negative passion. So two negative passions, that is devilish and animal passion, both are negative passions. And the only positive passion we have is divine passion. And the nature of animal passion is a tendency to hurt others. The nature of divine passion is to help others, a helping attitude. That is divine passion. So we have to cherish divine passion. For cherishing divine passion, there are two factors. One is reading good books, and another is associate ourselves with good people. These two ways help us to improve our divine passion. So we have to improve divine passion in children, and also we have to improve divine passion ourselves. So that is one of the levels, that is out of three levels: character level, creative level, and consciousness level. The first level we discuss here is character level. And in the character level we find the positive element is divine passion, and for the improvement of divine passion we have to read good books and associate ourselves with good people. So next class we will discuss about the next passion, that is not next passion, the next level, that is creative level. Now we have discussed character level. Thank God for enabling me to talk to you all this, and I thank all of you for listening me. Thank you very much.